Imagine earning a living without ever setting foot in an office. Sounds too good to be true. Think again. Join me as I uncover the top work from home data entry opportunities that you can start today. Get ready to change your life. I discovered 5 legitimate data entry jobs where you can easily earn money online. And for some of these jobs, you can start getting paid immediately. Some of the opportunities, especially towards the end of the list, can even lead to earning up to 6 figures annually if you pursue them long enough. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips and tricks, work-from-home opportunities, and side hustles. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's get back to the video. The first job on the list is perfect if you're tired of acting as the human spell checker for your friends. Working with Axion Data Services. Data entry involves inputting data into a computer system with the precision of a surgeon and the patience of a saint. It's a detail-oriented job requiring accuracy, attention to detail, and efficient data management. Axion Data Services is a reputable company within the data industry, known for offering legitimate work-from-home jobs. They pay around 5 to 10 cents for short forms, which usually take about 30 seconds, and between $5 and $9 for longer forms, which take around 30 minutes to an hour. You could potentially make up to $18 per hour, although it's typically less. Every 2 weeks, you send Axion an invoice for your work, and you get paid about a month after they receive the invoice. To apply, go to their website, scroll to the bottom, click Employment, and then click Apply. You'll submit a short questionnaire, and if you qualify, you'll be entered into their applicant database. Pros of this job include being a legitimate work-from-home opportunity, the potential for flexible hours, the ability to work independently, the potential for long-term employment, and being part of a well-known and established data entry service. Cons include a strict entry barrier, a preference for candidates with data entry experience, being US-based, the ability to type at 15,000 keystrokes per hour, and an application fee of around $5 to $10. While application fees are generally something to avoid, in this case, the fee may give you an advantage given the company's reputation. Therefore, I give this an opportunity score of 7 out of 10. The next opportunity is much easier to start and has a massive community. Clickworkers. This job is fully remote, so you can make money from anywhere at any time. A significant advantage is the ability to move to a country with a lower cost of living while earning as an American. Even though the pay might not be very high, living in a country with a low cost of living can provide a huge financial advantage. There are many countries where you can live comfortably on $1,000 to $1,500 a month. Clickworkers is a well-established platform known for paying its workers, so there's no worry about scams. For example, a Reddit review mentioned someone making $1,080 in their first month with a week still remaining. It's estimated that you can earn over $10 per hour with Clickworker. To sign up, scroll to the bottom of their website, click on Clickworker Job, then Register. Complete their qualification tests and create a profile. Once approved, you're ready to start. Clickworker has recently pivoted into the AI movement, offering many AI-related jobs. Pros include flexibility in working hours, the ability to work from home, earning potential based on the amount of work completed, improving data management skills, being part of AI and machine learning development, global accessibility, easy and straightforward entry, a community of other Clickworkers to communicate with, and a wide variety of jobs. I give this a 9 out of 10 data entry opportunity score. The next opportunity is ideal for those wanting to turn their home office into a money-making machine and is available worldwide, working with Appen. Appen is another company that has recently embraced the AI movement, offering many AI-related jobs. You'll be tasked with entering and organizing data, similar to a digital librarian. Appen has very good online reviews and a history of paying its workers. While other companies might claim to pay better, they often turn out to be scams or make it difficult to get paid. On Appen's platform, you can typically make between $11 and $14 per hour for typical tasks. Pros include flexibility, the convenience of working from home, potential for extra income, and easy startup. Payments are made through PayPal, adding to its legitimacy. Cons include the repetitive nature of data entry tasks, long hours of sitting, and the need for self-motivation. This job gets a 9 out of 10 data entry opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. The next job is perfect for those interested in political research. Working with SigTrak, you'll be coding voter signatures from petitions into a database, verifying voter registration information, and ensuring database accuracy and consistency. The payment system is complex, but generally, you earn about 3.7 cents per signature or 15 cents per registration, with payment based on your data entry accuracy. If you have 99% accuracy, you get paid 90% of the job's value. So for a $100 job, you would earn $90. For 98% accuracy, you would get $80. Typically, you can make around $15 to $20 per hour, with reports of people earning between $2,000 and $4,000 per month. SigTrak is another well-established, verified company. Pros include competitive pay for data entry work, contributing to an important civic process, and access to training and support. Cons include the requirement for dual monitors and a relatively strict hiring process. To apply, visit the website's homepage, click How do I start? Then Getting started. This job gets a data entry opportunity score of 9.5 out of 10. Last job on the list is ideal if you're seeking full-time employment. Red 8. This company focuses on data entry tasks within the technology industry. As I've often mentioned on this channel, the technology industry is one of the best sectors to work in, and there's a good reason for that. There is a wealth of opportunities in tech, and even entry-level positions like customer service representative or data entry, which don't require a degree, tend to offer better pay. If you're looking to do data entry for an extended period and as a full-time job, it's wise to secure a position with a tech company. Red 8 pays approximately $15.50 per hour. The job requires you to work Monday through Friday, 8 hours per day. Some of the advantages of this position include a flexible work-from-home arrangement, a reliable source of income, and potential opportunities for career advancement within the company or the broader technology industry. This could be a stepping stone to a career, even though data entry might not be something you want to do for the rest of your life. It's a suitable starting job, especially if you're seeking remote work, but it's not ideal for the long term. The downsides include the repetitive and monotonous nature of the work, the need to sit and stare at a computer screen for long hours, and limited interaction with colleagues. Again, this isn't a job you would want to do forever. Overall, I give Red 8 a data entry opportunity score of 9 out of 10. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.